guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super special makeover of furniture for you that me and Bodhi want to bring you. Yes, that is Bodhi, my little puppy. Anyway, I saw this desk in the charity shop and I couldn't stop thinking about it, so I just had to make it my dressing table. So let's get into it. First of all, my dad got his saw out and a guide and cut off the second half of it, I guess. So there's basically two sets of drawers on either end, but it would have been too long, so he cut one of those off for me, and then I sanded it. And he also made legs because I fell down the stairs and sprained my ankle, so I was in this boot for like forever. And so here I am on the bed watching my dad install this. So he got a piece of wood to hold it up over the rad, so that is why I couldn't fit it here. Well, also because I only have a certain amount of wall. So I used my Cricut machine to print a bunch of flowers and stems, and then I just sort of put them on sort of evenly but not exactly, and then any places where the decals weren't meeting properly I just used masking tape. Then I sealed them using Dixie Belle Boss in clear, and that just means that it won't like make any bleed through, and I'll have a crisp line. So then I use my roller, and I'm using paint I had left over. This is Lick paint. I can't remember the colour. This is a lovely blue, and then I use a mint green, both from Lick, and then I use a beautiful lilac that I've used in the ensuite. So yeah, I'm just using my 2 Fussy Flux roller to get this all over. So on the front of the drawers, the wooden element is the flowers themselves, and then on the side of the dressing table it's the opposite. So the flowers are painted and the wood is the background colour. So you probably need to see this to know what I mean, but anyway, that's the drawer painted, and this is the side here where the flowers are going to be the painted element. So it's the opposite, and here I am peeling off the edging tape on the side of the dressing table where the painted element is the flowers. Because I did like different colours for the stems and stuff, I had to sort of do this all separately. So first I did all of the flowers, painted those, peeled off all the tape, and then I went back in and did the stems separately, because otherwise I wouldn't have been able to get into all the different areas because I've masked off around them. So yeah, so there are the flowers done. So as I said, it's the blue and then a couple lilac ones, and then there is the stems being painted on the side, and then this is just me peeling off the drawer fronts. You know Bodhi had to feature choice because she's so cute. Anyway, let me take you through it. So here is the before and here is the after. I'm so obsessed with this piece of furniture. I just think it's so beautiful and it adds so much personality to an otherwise quite neutral room. So let me know what you think, and if you have any questions on any of the techniques or anything, as always, just drop me a comment. Thanks so much, guys.